Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bahriatullah Iswari, and today I will answer the question for my lecture, Mr. Fitri. And the first question is why Hedda Gabler is an important play. And this answer is because Hedda Gabler has classic realism, theater, and word drama. Hedda Gabler is also described as an idealistic woman in her role, and some critics also regard Hedda as one of the greatest dramatic roles in theater history. Hedda Gabler is one of the first fully developed female protagonist of his popularity. She is the most powerful character, and she play with others because she can find no solace or entertainment in her life. Indeed, about Hedda, she is so far-reaching that her own self-destruction leads almost inevitably to the destruction of other character life. And the second question is, tell what is your personal opinion about a dollhouse play. And in my opinion about a dollhouse has a unique theme, especially the implied ideas that are conveyed, which in their development have a dualism of meaning that invites controversy. And I saw the strange and independent that a woman could show, which was finally shown by Nora. And in a dollhouse has the principle that in the opinion or decision making by women must also be heard. And the third question is, what is the moral message of cosplay? And the answer is morality and immorality change place. Alternatively, what is immoral becomes moral. And while what is moral gets questionable, is the basis of marriage represented by obeying the legal order, or it represented by communication, understanding love and respect? The answer to this question is meant to certify the moral value of marriage. And the fourth question is, what do you think the most interesting part of story of an enemy of the people play? And the answer is, the most interesting about the contents of this story is the social theme of telling an enemy of the people and illustration how someone defends of people right in set aside. A man who holds his belief in the interests of society is more important than personal interests. Then Ibsen put into very literal terms the theme of the play. It is true that ideas grow stale and platitudinous, but one may go step further and say flatly that truth die. And the fifth question is, what moral value do you personally think in the Lady from the Sea play? And actually, I don't understand what the moral value in the Lady from the Sea, but I have some review from the story. In the Lady from the Sea, Ibsen returns again to the possibility of compromise, and while the dark clouds are by no means completely, he finds in this a possibility at least of redemption at the end of this play, very unusually for this author of deeply troubled dramatic vision. The stakes fill with hope with sunlight, but just as the heroic and seemingly admirable refusal to stray from the third is fought with immense and possibly insuperable difficulty. Compromise is not easy, but either nothing can be straightforward given our infinitely complex nature. And the last question is what is sorry what is the moral message of an enemy of the people play? And the answer is this text is that role-related obligation of politicians to their constituents and of parents to their children are limited by the rights of others. And whenever what is the best for one's constituent or what is the best for one's children involves putting innocent third parties at risk. And one might not pursue the best for those individuals as long as the options remaining are good enough and meet the basic needs of the constituent or the children. That situation of moral combat might be limited, though not necessarily eliminated completely. And I think enough for my answer, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.